In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace store discounts, free shipping, and local delivery. We'll be working inside your Squarespace store settings to create a discount offer that customers can use at checkout. This is a great way to promote sales, encourage larger orders, or offer a limited time free shipping incentive. To begin, open your Squarespace site dashboard and go to Products and Services. This is where your store-related settings are organized, including product management, checkout options, and promotional tools. From there, click on Discounts. This section is where you can create and manage all discount offers for your store. If you already have promotions running, you'll see them listed here. To make a new one, click Add Discount. Squarespace will now ask what kind of discount you want to create. You can choose from options like % off or free shipping, depending on the type of promotion you want to offer. For this setup, select free shipping. This option is especially useful if you want to reduce checkout friction and make your offer feel simple and appealing to customers. Next, enter a name for the discount. This name helps you identify the promotion inside your dashboard, so make it something clear and easy to recognize. Then, go to the discount code field. Here, you can either type in your own custom code or use the option to generate one automatically. If you're creating a code manually, it's usually best to keep it short, easy to remember, and easy to type. After that, move down to the Rules and Limitations section. This is where you control how the discount can be used. You can choose to limit the total number of orders this discount can be used on, which is helpful if you want to keep a promotion after a certain number of redemptions. You can also choose to limit it to one order per customer, which helps prevent repeat use by the same shopper. Next, enter the start date and expiration date for the discount. Setting these dates is important if you want the promotion to run only during a specific window, such as a seasonal campaign or short-term sale. Be sure to double-check the dates so your offer starts and ends exactly when you want it to. Once everything looks good, click Save. At that point, your discount will be created and ready to use according to the settings you selected. Before promoting it, it's a good idea to review the details one more time to make sure the code, usage limits, and dates are all correct. That's how to set up a Squarespace store discount for free shipping quickly and clearly from your dashboard.